Hello everyone, welcome back to Sporaria YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to create new account of Google Play Store on Samsung Galaxy A56. So yeah, to create a new Google Play Store account is basically same with other Google account. And so yeah, to create a new Google Play Store account is very easy. So the first thing first is now you can go to Google Play Store first, and then now you can click on the right top, and then now you can click add another account, and then so yeah, now you can click create account for personal, and then now you can enter your name, first and last name for optional, and then now you can enter your basic information, the month, date of your born, and then now you can choose your Gmail address, and then after that now you can create a strong password, and then here the review your account info, and then now you can agree all of privacy and terms, and then so yeah, here's the new account of Google Play Store. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial, and thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video.